welcome to TNT in the RV. I'm Tammy.
And I'm Tony, and this is Luke Bryan.
This week we're going to share with you our review of the Kenai Princess RV Park in Cooper Landing, Alaska.
I really enjoy this parking lot with the exception of the parking sites are really tight. But I can deal with that due to the fact that it's real close to the Russian River Ferry and the Upper River Kenai Fishery.
And I just love it because there's full hookups, there's a camp store, there's laundry facilities, shower facilities, and it's right next to the Kenai Princess Lodge with its gorgeous restaurant, deck, and delicious food.
Let's go check it out.
After a beautiful drive from Anchorage, we headed 2 hours south to Cooper Landing. Quick stop at Turtigan Pass, where we got out to stretch our legs and let Luke do his business. And then it was hopping back in the motorhome and heading to the Kenai Princess Lodge RV Park. Here at the Kenai Princess RV Lodge, there are 3 bathrooms and 2 showers in each one. The showers are $2 for 10 minutes, and there are handicap showers and bathrooms in each one. Kenai Princess Lodge in Cooper Landing. Giant lodge with a beautiful deck. After the boys got in a little fishing, it was time to head up to the lodge and have some lunch. They have a gorgeous restaurant with a deck that overlooks the entire valley. There was a lot of people going hiking down to the river, but we just sat up top, had some halibut tacos, some crab cakes, and my absolute favorite was the veggie salad. Few more pictures to wrap up our day, and we were ready to head home. That wraps up our time at the Kenai Princess RV Park in Cooper Landing, Alaska.
And I can sure deal with the tight spaces due to all the conveniences that it has to offer.
One thing I love is full hookups and the Princess Lodge with its beautiful restaurant, coffee shop, and deck and bar overlooking the valley. If this was helpful to you, please hit the like and subscribe button and ring the little bell to get future notifications.
See you guys down the road.